Yes, be ready. Start. These appeals relate to regular absorption of the appellants who are working as substitute teachers in the railways stop. In the impugned judgment, the Central Administrative Tribunal has observed that the appellants should be given an opportunity to appear before the selection board if they are otherwise eligible as and when such selection is made, and has expressed the hope that the respondents would try to accommodate them even on temporary basis if there happens to be any casual vacancy available from time to time, and for that purpose they may be placed on waiting list of substitute teachers stop. The submission of the learned council appearing for the appellants is that the appellants who have crossed the age bar may not be eligible for such consideration stop. Having regard to the facts and circumstances of these cases, it is directed that if the appellants have crossed the prescribed maximum age, they may be considered for regular selection by giving relaxation in that regard stop. But such relaxation shall be confined to one opportunity for consideration for such selection stop. The appeals are disposed of accordingly stop. No order as to costs stop stanza. Even though textually the orders may appear different, the respondents' authorities rightly acted in terms of the true purport of the order stop. They subjected the appellant also to the process of screening by the screening committee in accordance with para 5.1 of the master circular. After subjecting the appellant for screening by an order, the appellant was appointed as primary teacher in the Railway Higher Secondary School, Alipur Junction, against an existing vacancy stop. Being aggrieved, the appellant filed original application number 978 of 1998 before the Central Administrative Tribunal, Calcutta bench stop. The grievance was that firstly, the appellant should have been absorbed in the post of assistant teacher instead of being absorbed as a primary teacher with admissible continuity of service in the pay scale of rupees 5500 to 9000 and not rupees 4500 to 7000 that was now offered under the 2/1/1998 order. Secondly, the appellant is entitled to the pay scale and allowances admissible to the post of assistant teacher grade 1, namely rupees 1600 to 2900 instead of the pay scale of rupees 1200 to 2040 that was offered stop. Thirdly, that under the master circular a substitute school teacher is entitled to continuity and service as much prescribed therein stop over.